Those pressure washing in the house. It's me and Sadie. Tell him what's up, Sadie. Give him a kiss. Mwah. So hey, look, I'm starting to get my voice back a little. I'm gonna tone it down. I don't want to talk a lot. I'm gonna be doing a lot of cleaning tonight. As you can see, it's kind of cold out. I get to wear this new gear that we've bought. We've never got to wear it yet because we just got it for this season. Speaking of new stuff, we got a new logo, new website, all that good stuff you're gonna love. We're getting some diesel. Prices have dropped a little bit, so we are paying only 90 bucks for 19 gallons. Could be worse. We see the world famous snail trails. So I was gonna I'm going to another gas station to clean, but I can't pass this. This is one of my gas stations I clean, and I can't leave it like this, man. It's just bad off, man. It's really, really bad. So I'm gonna at least clean the diesel section. Look how bad it is. And it goes all the way back there. So being the person this is one of the gas stations I take care of, I can't leave it like this, man. I have to clean it up. It goes all the way back there. I don't know why they don't use a wheelbarrow. They drag it, man. I guarantee you if I walk over here, it's all the way across. Look, there's another one. Look, right there. Look at that. Golly, man. It's bad. You know what? I might as well clean this whole thing. It needs to be clean, man. Let's get it. All right, now we're gonna put the cones behind the trailer so nobody runs us over. Put the X-Jet and the chemicals. And we're gonna spray all this. Look how bad this is, guys. I just did this not too long ago, but look how bad it is. Horrible. I can't just do like the diesel section, because let me give you an example. Look, see how bad that was? This is really bad. But if this is spotless and that much dirty, it's gonna look like crap. So anyway, it's like mowing the grass. I tell guys, keep it low. If you let it go too bad, it'll get out of control. What I'm doing, guys, while I'll have both of these extended, is I'm gonna run my LaFon 8 gallon a minute, laying down the chemicals. I'm gonna come back and run my surface cleaner on my 10 gallon. Both of them will easily run this, but I want that extra 2 gallons a minute on this job because I have another one to get to. I wasn't planning on doing this one. As you guys know, in the beginning of the video, I'd seen it dirty and have to take care of it. So we're gonna hook to the gray hose, which is right here, with our X-Jet, and we're gonna spray the chemicals. Then we're gonna fire up the other one, and we're gonna go the 8 on the chemicals and 10 on the surface cleaner. Guys, if you need anything, make sure you hit me up, okay? I carry all this equipment. If you need 8s, 10s, 12 gallons, belt drive, poly chain. We got a brand new custom made gas tanks we carry. We're gonna be dropping one in there tomorrow, or actually when I get back from out of town. I have it at the house now, first one, and we actually sold another one today, and we haven't even launched the website because that's launching in the morning. But yeah, you need soft wash machines. We got that as well. We just got everything, guys. We got it for a great price, and the number one thing that we pride ourselves in is having the best customer service. You know, I've helped guys at midnight before. I've helped them next day air a belt. You know, anything you need, I got you. So that's Little's Pressure Washing, guys. 1833-37 clean. right, guys, we're done. And as a matter of fact, it's almost 2 in the morning. I ain't even gonna make it past this one, man. I got a big day tomorrow. This place needed to be cleaned, so I went ahead and cleaned it. Let me show you the results. You ready? 1, 2, 3. See that? That's how it's supposed to look. Just like that. We don't play no games, man. Let's talk about it. Let's look at it. Let's go. All right, guys, we got all this cleaned up. We got it looking really good. That's won't come out. Let's go over here and look at how bad it was. Remember all the snail trails? They're gone. We got all the oil, grease, fuel up. We use sodium hydroxide and Dawn. Look at that. Short of that permanent stain, it looks amazing. Even the towel looks good. Got all that. Remember, this was black. That was too. Starting to dry. See right here. See, looks good. This is gonna look real good when it's dried, man. It's gonna look real good. But hey, I'm gonna get to the house. You guys make sure you hit that like button. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this video because I got some amazing videos coming next. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure all that good stuff. And God bless.